dressed me like this.
Wow.
We are going to learn how to make this fine wear that I'm putting on today. It fits me, right? I mean, I look good. I'm learning this in a town called Buffalo, and I'm learning this right here. Stay tuned. Mercy. The style of weaving is very, very different. I mean, like you can see each and every one have their seats, and then they weave.
Again. Yeah.
Then the break is the break that fascinates me the most, guys. Okay, so we are here again. This time I'm not in Ghana, I'm in Togo, and this time we are going to learn a different, kind of print. In Kumasi they usually do the Kente fabrics, but right here we are going to learn about how they do the scarf. And right when they do the scarf, how they turn it into, a full-size cloth. And from the full-size cloth, they then sew it, or whoever buys it, you can sew it into any style you want. But it's popularly known for the, bata, kali. So the one you wear and then you turn around, and look good. So we are going to learn the process of it. So don't go anywhere. Let's see the difference. I mean, let me know if you can tell the difference between this and what you saw in Kumasi if you watched the video. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share this video.
Do you know how he showed it?
What I know,
Yeah.
from what she did,
Yeah.
you go back,
Yeah.
and your leg makes space.
Yeah.
Your leg makes space,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Français, not understanding. So, je n'ai pas français. And then, what is he saying? And then now I'm doing my left. Go back. Then, you see in Kumasi they did it fast. So, I'm using that over here. Okay, but there goes. Oui? Oh, nice. I'm doing well. Oh, merci beaucoup. And then I go back, open again. Oh, so if I want more thread, I pull. Okay. I still have to make it short to make it easy. That's really looks.
It's good.
It's good. Oh, okay. I'm a good student. Okay, so now the left side open, then the right side open, then voila. Let's see. Thanks to Kumasi for giving me the experience. Now I'm a weaver. Merci. Oh. Guys, I'm a professional weaver now. I'm a professional weaver. Oh my goodness. So now the right, you make your feet go down. Then, hit it. Then your left, hit it. So I want to be like that. Okay. Have you got yours? this is what they weave into. These are different patterns, and this is one pattern. One pattern. These are different patterns. You know, and then the white and blue, plain white.
Right.
So right after the weaving, this is where they bring it and then sew it together to form a fabric or to form any style or design you want, as in a full dress or a cloth or a batikali or however you want it. So yeah, continue to enjoy the video. So they do this kind of, you know, attires and all that. They really don't do the colorful, you know, kente pattern just like we do. Their specialty is this colors, which is equally nice. All that. So that's what we saw the man sewing. So right after weaving, he does the sewing, and this is where everyone displays their products to sell. So everyone own their own shop. See what I was saying, batakali, dance.
Sharing the journey with you guys. This is my first time. That's all you can do. Our fly. That's amazing. Those are the colors.
Try this on.
I'm trying it. The nigga put me while I'm watching. Oui. Ça c'est pour le monsieur. Ah, est-ce que c'est le même nom? Batakali aussi pour Han, et puis le style aussi Batakali. Ah, ouais. Ok. Donc c'est Batakali or Li. Li, isn't it?
How do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
See my wife. She's all dressed up. Guys, what do you think?
I'm the rich. You can actually tell if a cloth is light and heavy. See, this feels so light, so it's the cheapest. But these ones are very, very expensive. They range from like 5,000 sefa and above. It's so expensive compared to Ghana. Guys, you can actually buy a set and use it to dress just like I am. I can't wait to show you the finish. See, put it on yourself and then head stuff. Oh, wait a minute. Get another one. Then, you know, open it. And then tie. I mean, tie yourself. Welcome to the motherland of Togo. It fits me, oh. You people, send me money, let me buy it. It is, look. Oh my goodness, who is coming to marry me? Oh my god, I look so good. I tied a scarf myself. Look. Look, you can just, you know, do anything for yourself. I'll leave every details in the description box if you want to get yourself this beautiful piece to, you know, look good just like myself. I look good, innit? Yeah, please buy it. Buy it for me.